Common High Loop Troubleshooting. As we continue our thrilling exploration, it's time to focus on the common troubleshooting associated with the high loop. Just like any other appliance component, high loops can occasionally face issues. But worry not. Understanding these problems and potential solutions can ensure your dishwasher remains efficient. Loop drooping. Sometimes, the high loop might not stay high. A hanging loop can lose its effectiveness, allowing the backflow of water into the dishwasher. The solution? Ensure your loop is securely attached under the countertop or sink cabinet, maintaining its height above the sink level. Blocked or kinked hose. A blockage or kink in the drain hose can prevent water from draining correctly, potentially leading to backflow or a pool of water in your dishwasher. Regularly check your drain hose for any blockages or kinks, and remove any that you find. Hose length issues. If your drain hose is too short, it might need to reach higher to create an effective loop. If it's too long, it could make low points where water can collect, leading to blockages. Ensure your drain hose is of an appropriate length for your specific installation. Inconsistent performance. If your dishwasher is not cleaning dishes well or has a persistent odor, there could be an issue with the high loop. It's worth checking the loop and considering a professional's help to ensure it's set up correctly. What should you do if the high loop in your dishwasher is drooping? A. Secure it under the countertop or sink cabinet. B. Replace the dishwasher with a new one. How can a blocked or kinked drain hose affect your dishwasher? A. It can improve water flow, producing an efficient water cycle. B. It can lead to backflow or water pooling in the dishwasher.